Hi, my name is Vishwaranjan. In last video, we saw how to create business manager for our business using Meta. So in this particular video, we are talking about how to create the first campaign using instant lead form inside the Meta. So we have to go to the business. We have to go to the address business.facebook.com to create a campaign. So as I told you last time, you should be handy with your one business portfolio with all the settings are okay. Okay condition. Everything is connected properly, everything is created properly, everything is attached properly. So once you have done that part, then you will be good to go for this particular uh, campaign. So what you have to do after going to this particular address, business.facebook.com, you have to click on Ad Manager, then click on Campaigns. Once you click on the campaign, this window come in front of you. So you can see this is completely fresh, and let's go and create a new campaign inside this Ad Manager. Okay, so there are 6 to 7 options. The campaign objective. So we will talk about later what are the objectives and when to use which objective. So the first primary part is we have to create the uh, we have to create a campaign that is using the lead form. So that means we have to click leads. So this is good for basically to collect leads for your business or your brand. And this is good for like website and instant forms, machines, messenger and Instagram, conversions and calls. You have to click on continue. So this is your campaign name, this is your ad set label, and this is your ad label. So before creating this campaign, I want you to be ready with these requirements because this is the mandatory thing. If you want to create that campaign in one shot without having any trouble and publish it with one shot, then you have to ready with these requirements. What are the requirements? The first requirement is add creative in the form of video or graphics and your one headline and one description, privacy policy that is mandatory. Because if you don't have the privacy policy, maybe Meta reject your form. While you create, maybe Meta reject the form. There is a chance. And some form questions. Why we use these form questions to qualify the leads? We can understand, yeah, these leads are potential for our business, and we can either call them, we will start nurturing the leads, we will try to make them convert for our business. So this is the basic requirements. You can get these requirements in my comment section. I will upload this sheet or I will paste this, requirements so you can figure it out. Okay, so let's go and create the campaign right now. So the very first thing what I have to do, I have to rename the campaign. Name the campaign so that I can understand for my purpose. So I can put it like 28th Jan, and this is basically lead form, and this is lead form for coaches. My target audience are like coaches, business owners, and consultants. So once I put the name, I have to jump to the section budget where it says budget strategy. Either I will choose campaign budget or ad set budget. So I will go with campaign budget, and the daily budget I will go with 1000 from the beginning to get better result, and to get not get a better result, to get more reach and impression. So this is the basic we can start with nowadays. Once we have done this, there is no section. You no need to worry about it. Just go to the ad set, click on ad set. So you can put your name here, ad set. So I'm putting the ad set level name like coaches, interest. So once you name the ad set level, here the very first option you can see conversion. Conversion means where you want to send your audience while they saw your ad. Once they click on CTA, where they have to go. So as we talk about, like we're using instant forms. So I have to select the instant form here, and this is my Facebook page. Only I need Facebook page for this particular recommendation and the performance goal. So how you measure success for your ads. So once you click on that, you can see there are maximize number of leads. Another option is maximize number of conversion leads. So both sounds like similar, but there is a huge difference. Meta will show the people, if you click on the first one, Meta will show the people to collect the leads only. I mean, these are the also good leads. But if you click on maximize number of conversion leads, Meta will show your ad to that kind of people, those who are likely to convert in future. So whenever you create instant form, just click the option maximize number of conversion leads. So I have ready with my data set that is pixel. So I can choose that here. I no need to do here anything else. And I will start the campaign tonight. So the best practice whenever you create a campaign, do not publish the campaign instantly or within a time period of 1 hour, up to 2 hour. So my best practice, what I do whenever I create the campaign, no matter when I'm creating it, I publish it this is the time what I do most of the time. Not most of the time, every time when I create a campaign, I put this time because that will get a window to optimize your budget, to spend your budget in a day, whatever you are putting your budget. You don't need to do anything else like end date. So this is the only start date. We will end according to our optimization. So the next part is audience control. Audience control, here are option used a saved audience because we are creating the first campaign. We don't have any kind of saved audience. So we have to go to the location. In location, you can see you can go for India, the pan India itself, or if you want to go for state wise, like if you want to run your ad in like tier one cities or tier two cities, you can put like this Delhi city. I choose city, but when you select cities only, go with 30 kilometer radius of 30 kilometer every time. And here is another option if you want to show your ads in Delhi, but if you don't want to show your ads to in Noida. So here in that case, what you have to do, click on you will saw this option, the drop down option. You can see exclude. When you click exclude, put Noida. I mean, my ad will show in Delhi, but my ads won't show in Noida. So this is the difference. But now I will go with Pan India. So the location has been set according to your audience, where are they roaming, which state you want to show your ad. You can decide that. So once you have done that part, So there is a option, there is another option. It says like minimum age. So we will bring this to 25. I mean, if your audience is not below 25, then you have to select 25. That is the minimum age. So this option says exclude these custom audiences. So this is the first campaign. You no need to think about anything else. This is for the scaling part and like language. Language means either you will open it like any language, the best part. But in my case, I will go for English, and that is English all. You can choose that too. If your audience is only on English, then you can do that too. So Meta gives us the next option is Advantage Plus Audience. So here is a option why it is like see Meta nowadays Meta wants no changes inside your audience section. Meta's AI will take care of that, but we have to give some input to Meta. So this is our input. You can go according to the rule what I am giving, right? So in that case, what you have to do, what I'm suggesting, my audience, those who are likely to convert, their age range is in between 30 to 60. And the gender, maybe I can target both, either men and women, or I will go with men, or I will go with women only. But my target audience, all. Then comes to detailed targeting, include people who match. So here is like we can add demographics, interest, and behavior of our audience. So like see, you have to figure out who your audience are. So in that case, what I will do, those who are looking for performance marketing, maybe these are my audience. So let me type. It's not coming. I have to check another thing. Lead generation marketing. So this interest, let me go and select for the timing for your understanding. So I put here, you can see this is my interest. Or if you want like put any kind of behavior or like demographics, you can do that too. Once you do that, then comes to the placement section. You don't need to check or anything else here. You just suddenly jump to this placement section. In placement section, you can see whenever you create a campaign, the Advantage Plus placements are always open. So what you have to do, the best part to protect your leads, I mean to if you want to get the quality leads, no any kind of junk leads or any kind of junk audience, you have to select manual placement instead of Advantage Plus. Once you click on manual placements, the very first option you can see devices. I want to show my ads only on mobile, not in desktop, so I have to remove the desktop option. Then I will take out here the audience network. I will only show my ads on Facebook and Instagram. So once you're done with that, you will see this window. So you have to uncheck here in stream ads for Reels and search results. This is the best practice, but still another option is showing like allow limited spend to excluded placements. But still, if you there is a chance to get leads from the audience network, right? So no, I don't want to show anything else. I don't give Meta, I mean, I will not give permission to Meta to spend my budget on excluded placements. I need only the leads from the Meta, I mean, sorry, in Facebook and Instagram. So once I'm done with that part, you are good to go. Then we will jump to the new lead ads. I mean the ad section. That means, as I told you, you have to ready with your graphics or video, something like that. So I will put the name of the video if I am using the video, or if I am creating using graphics, I will put my graphics name. Because we are going, if you are going to, we are going to use multiple number of ad creatives. So this is we will give, hi, that's my name, and I selected my Facebook page here. My Instagram account is not connected, so you can connect your Instagram account. So this is, let's go to the ad setup, single image and video. So this is a destination. So as I told you, you have to be ready with your form questions so that we will create an instant form while creating the ad. So let's create a form. So I will put the form name, lead form for coaches, right? Because we're going to create, I am going to create it for the coaches only. So once you name the form, so there are two options, the form type. One is for more volume, one is for higher intent. More volume means, see, use a form that quick to fill in and submit on a mobile device. The higher intent, what it says, add a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their info. So always prefer this one, high intent form type. Once you click on that, the best part Meta gives nowadays required leads to verify their phone number with a one-time passcode. I mean, suppose I just run this campaign and you are see you saw my ad. If you are interested in my video or graphics or in my ad or whatever the content I'm delivering, in that particular case, if you click on apply or learn more, whatever the CTA, whenever you fill that form, once you fill out some information, the required information, you have to put your OTP, one time passcode, to submit the form. So this is the best part, right? I mean, in that case, we will get the real number only, the active numbers. No, no, no such, not such kind of any kind of junk. Those mobiles are switched off. We will not get that kind of leads. So you have to check it out. And rich creative. So don't use that too. So let's go to the next option, flexible form delivery. Allow Meta to adjust and remove form elements based on what people are most likely to respond to. So there are two options, optimized, manual. So let's click on optimized. You can stay with optimized, there is no problem. And you can go to the next section. So as I told you, so this is you can put your background image if you want. If you don't want, you no need to. And the greetings. And the one headline, I'm ready with my headline. So I will put this and description. I have done with my description before jumping to the ad. This is my description. It looks like this. Then I will go to the next section. Once you go to the next section, this is says contact information. I mean, where lead filtering now is a conditional logic. So you can put your questions, the form questions to filter out to filter out the leads. To I mean to get the quality leads nowadays. So the form questions I have done. Let me see the very first one. Are you a coach or consultant? So that means this is a short answer. Short answer question. What I have to do, I have to copy that and multiple choice. This is my question and answer either yes or no. I no need to click here, okay? Then the third question it says, sorry, the second question it says, what is the biggest challenge right now? So this is also a short answer question. The first one is the multiple choice. So the second one is the short answer. So according to that, I will put here. And then the third question, let me see what is the third question. Monthly marketing budget. So according to this way, we will set all the questions that we want to set for our lead form. So once you do that, so this is then come to the description part where it says like, see, this is the preview window. You can see what we you can enter your message like according to you, like you can what you want to show to the people, and what we will collect in this particular form. Choose the type of information you need. I mean, you need email only, you need a first name, or you need only phone number, or you need everything. Once you have done, you have to click on next, and this is the part where you need privacy policy. So you have to put your privacy policy URL to go through. So what you have to do, just a moment, let me open a privacy policy for you, and then we can use that. One moment. This is the privacy policy link I'm going to put. So once I'm done with the all the settings, I have to go to the review screen. So then I click on next. And once you come to this particular ending section and your headline, thank you, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So I mean, if you want, you can redirect your customer to a website or to view a file or to call your business or chat on WhatsApp. Whatever you want to do with your lead, you can do that accordingly. So there are four options. And as I show here, like view files, I will upload the files here. I will, if I want to call my business, I will put my number. If I want chat on WhatsApp, so I have to connect my WhatsApp account. So simply click on create form. So it won't allow me. So let me do that. So the form is ready, but where is one thing? Enter your message. So one simply description. We won't share your info with others. This is our conversation conversion. This is our only our purpose only. All right. So everything is in green. So I created the form. So the form is ready right now. Once you have done this part, you can see the form is attached and add creative. So now the part add creative. If you want to add image ads, if you want to add video ads, you can select accordingly. So for best practice, I use for the timing video image ad. So it should be in two format only. One is on 1:1. Another is on 9:16 format for the best practice to get best results. So the primary text, you have to put your primary text and your headline for the ad, what you want to put, short description, and my call to action is learn more. So you can choose according to your business, what the purpose of the business. You can do that. You don't need to do anything else here. Just click on done. So everything is attached. So you can create creative testing. You can test multiple of creatives and the tracking. If you want, you can put the tracking also, website events. But I have not set up my pixel for this because I don't have the landing page for the timing as I am creating the instant form, or maybe I have, but I am not tracking it. So once you have done with this, simply click on publish. Once you click on publish, the campaign is scheduled for your for the timing. But here you can see I don't put my uh, payment information to publish this campaign because this is my demo account for education purpose only. And if you stuck anywhere for any kind of problem, you can go slowly, watch the video one by one. You will cover everything. I mean, you will create the campaign in one shot and you can publish the campaign. Thank you. We will see you in next video.